everyone, and welcome back to another video of my YouTube channel and blog. And today I've got the unboxing of the Simon Says Stamp June 2018 card kit. And sorry for the mess here on the filming desk, but I've been working on a couple of projects with my alcohol inks that I hope to have edited and uploaded very soon. But I wanted to get this filmed and uploaded as quickly as possible. I've heard this was a fabulous kit and that it's already sold. The kit's sold out, but everything will be available individually, and so I'll have all that linked down below and over on my blog. And I'll also have all the information for how to get a monthly subscription and the questions and answers and everything like that linked as well. I've got my sucker. Okay, let me just take out the information sheet. This one's called Fly Me Away, and we'll go through everything step by step here. Okay, the first thing is the stamp set, and this is a large 6x8 stamp set called Beautiful Flowers, and it has this one really big gorgeous flower here. That is really awesome. It measures nearly 7 inches, so this will be really good for an A7 size card, which is 5x7, and then of course you can always just ink part of it for a smaller A2 size card as well. And you have you are so much, your way, you are to birthday, and kind to me, wishing you on your day, sending lots of from all of us, happy, love, joy, beautiful, you are a treasure to me, love and hugs, thanks, and happy birthday. Very beautiful stamp set. Can't wait to use that. Okay, this I've been looking forward to getting because I've been wanting to try one of the Tim Holtz 3D texture fades. I've seen some really pretty stuff done with these. These are really thick. They're multi-dimensional. So where a regular embossing folder has just one level, these have multiple levels of embossing, and it's really thick. You even have to spray your paper with water first when you use these, so I can't wait to play with that. That's awesome. Let's see, and it's just called Botanical. And then you also get some Tim Holtz Distress Resist spray, so we'll play with that too soon. Okay, we get 12 single-sided sheets of ModaScrap Fly and Scrap 6x6 paper pack. Very pretty images. Oh, this is single-sided. Very kind of watercolory images, but very pretty, fun patterns, florals. I like that. That's pretty. Lots of very pretty watercolor style paper. Okay, and then we have a Simon Says stamped exclusive watercolor sample palette of Daniel Smith's watercolors in quinacridone red, Persian blue, and beryllium cobalt yellow. So basically they're primary colors, so with these three you can mix anything. So I love the Daniel Smith watercolor dots. Those actually last a really long time, and you can paint a lot of stuff with those. Okay, so we also get one of the custom design watercolor cards by Susie Plantamora. Goodbye winter, so long snow, it's time to watch the flowers grow. Very cute. You paint this up, and then that's a whole front for a card. Okay, I'm going to set that aside. And then you've got metallic envelopes in cornflower and white. So very pretty. Love their metallic envelopes. One Simon Says stamp watercolor card. Oh, wait a minute. That's that. Sorry. 1 sheet of Tonic Gold Pearl Mirror cardstock. So that's this very shiny piece of gold. And then we got Simon's 120 pound. So this is good for card bases. And then we've got Cornflower Blue Smoke and their new color Peacock, which is awesome. I love teal color. And just a little sneak peek at some of my alcohol ink stuff that I was doing. It looked really good on this peacock paper. So I may have to figure out something I can do with this piece and use it on my peacock paper. So that is it. That is the Simon Says Stamp June 2018 card kit. You get all this fun stuff. This beautiful stamp set. Get some resist spray. Get to play with a texture fade. And this pretty paper. So there we go. So I will be back soon with more card inspiration videos. And I said real soon I'll have some uploaded with the alcohol ink. So stay tuned. I'll see you soon.